Aging Adult Resources at loc.gov NLS/services and resources. loc.gov/nls/services-informational-publications/resources-senior-citizens-families. Chapter 1. Older People Resources 1. General Resources. Meals on Wheels America. MealsOnWheelsAmerica.org supports 5,000 community-based senior nutrition programs. Delivers nutritious meals, safety checks, and friendly visits that enable seniors to live independently. Program of All-Inclusive Care for Elderly, PACE. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. cms.gov/medicare-medicaid-coordination/medicare-medicaid-coordination-office/PACE/PACE assists seniors in meeting their healthcare needs at home. Provides information on PACE service areas, PACE under Medicaid, and applying for PACE. Village to Village Network. VTVnetwork.org volunteer-run program that coordinates access to affordable transportation, health and wellness, home repairs, and social activities for seniors. Dementia, Medline Plus. U.S. National Library of Medicine. nlm.nih.gov/medlineplus/dementia.html offers articles on the symptoms, prevention, treatment, diagnosis, and types of memory disorders. Links to nonprofit and government resources. Planning for Dementia. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. acl.gov/ltc/basic-needs/pathfinder/dementia summarizes key steps in planning for long-term care for Alzheimer's and dementia. Provides legal information on medical power of attorney, guardianship, and advanced care directives. Links to assisted living facilities specializing in memory care and information on Medicaid and state-based programs. Senior Care. 866-333-8857. SeniorCare.org shares general information on elder abuse, person-centered care, and senior lifestyles, searchable by types of care: assisted living, independent living, memory care, nursing homes, adult day care, hospice care, home care, and elder care, or senior-related illnesses such as cataracts, type 2 diabetes, and osteoporosis. Benefits Resources. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. consumerfinance.gov/coronavirus/older-adults provides resources for seniors and their caregivers on managing finances during the pandemic. Federal, state, and county benefits. Benefits Checkup. National Council on Aging. BenefitsCheckup.org online form provides seniors information on their eligibility for programs that may help pay for medications, food, utilities, health care, housing, in-home services, transportation, and employment training. Benefits Finder. Benefits.gov. Benefits.gov/benefit-finder interactive questionnaire helps seniors find benefits they are eligible to receive. Benefits Planner, Retirement. Social Security Administration. ssa.gov/planners/retire/stopwork.html Retirement calculators include variables such as retirement age, stop work age, and survivors' benefits. Health Resources. Contact information for state departments of Agriculture and Public Health. United States Department of Health and Human Services. fsis.usda.gov/wcm/connect/internet/main/topics/recalls and public health alerts/additional recall links/state departments of public health/CT_index provides public health contact information for all states. Find a Health Center. United States Department of Health and Human Services. FindAHealthCenter.HRSA.gov allows users to locate HRSA health centers, which provide medical care to individuals who have no health insurance. Includes checkups, treatment for illnesses, dental care, and help with prescription drug costs. Justice in Aging. JusticeInAging.org partners with state and federal agencies to ensure essential government programs are accessible to qualified seniors. Offers webinars, publications, and consultations related to the legal needs of older adults. Medicaid Innovation Accelerator Program. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Medicaid.gov/state-innovation-accelerator-program/innovation-accelerator-program.html summarizes the Medicaid Innovation Accelerator Program, which launched in 2014 with the goal of improving healthcare to Medicaid beneficiaries through state-run programs. Medicare benefits. Social Security Administration. SSA.gov/Medicare allows users to apply for Medicare online. Provides information on applying for help with prescription costs, examining the benefits of Medicare Parts A, B, C, and D, and replacing a lost, stolen, or damaged Medicare card. Medicare Coverage and Appeals. Center for Medicare Advocacy. MedicareAdvocacy.org/Medicare-info/Medicare-coverage-appeals, a non-profit, non-partisan, public interest law firm that advocates for Medicare and quality healthcare on behalf of older and disabled people. Provides forms and instructions for appeals. Of special interest to caretakers. Medicare.gov. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Medicare.gov directs older adults and their families to information on key Medicare-related topics, including where to sign up for Medicare, how to change plans, the benefits of Medicare drug coverage, and where to find Medicare forms for claims and appeals. Provides a searchable database of medical providers who take Medicare. Medicare Interactive. MedicareInteractive.org. Medicare Interactive provides Medicare-related information on topics such as eligibility and enrollment, coverage, rights and protections, health plan options, prescription drugs, and programs for people with lower income. Medicare Rights Center. MedicareIGHTS.org, nonprofit organization working to ensure access to affordable health care for older adults and people with disabilities. Provides a free online reference tool designed to help older adults and people with disabilities navigate the complex world of health insurance. Offers a general introduction to Medicare using video-based e-learning. Medicare Savings Programs. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Medicare.gov/your-Medicare-costs/help-paying-costs/Medicare-savings-programs/medicare-savings-programs.html describes the four Medicare Savings Programs: Qualified Medicare Beneficiary, QMB, Specified Low-Income Medicare Beneficiary, SLMB, Qualifying Individual, QI, and Qualified Disabled and Working Individuals, QDWI. National Committee to Preserve Social Security and Medicare. NCPSSM.org provides general information and recent news related to Social Security and Medicare. Retirement Resources. USA.gov. USA.gov/retirement basics on retirement planning and pension benefits such as how Social Security works, retiring from the civil service, and managing a private pension. Retirement benefits. Social Security Administration. SSA.gov/retire allows users to apply for retirement benefits like Social Security and Medicare, return to a saved application, and check the application status. Provides a Social Security calculator that identifies spousal and retirement benefits. Seniors and Medicare and Medicaid enrollees. Medicaid.gov. Medicaid.gov/Medicaid/eligibility/Medicaid-enrollees/index.html presents charts detailing what Medicaid covers for Medicare enrollees. State Health Insurance Assistance Programs, SHIP. SHIP National Technical Assistance Center. SHIPTACenter.org administered by Medicare and run by the states, SHIP helps seniors cover their out-of-pocket Medicare costs. Allows users to search by state for information on Medicare savings programs and Part D low-income subsidies. Medication costs. 2-1-1. United Way. 211.org offers information on prescription assistance services and medical transportation options for seniors, either via a searchable online database or a 24-hour hotline that connects callers with service professionals in their area. The Extra Help/Low Income Subsidy, LIS, Program Medicare Rights Center. Medicare-Interactive.org/get-answers/programs-for-people-with-limited-income/the-extra-help-program provides forms and eligibility requirements for a program that pays the cost of Medicare prescription drug coverage for lower-income seniors. Seniors on Medicaid automatically qualify. Patient Assistance Program. Center Cashist. RxAssist.org. Information on patient assistance programs run by pharmaceutical companies to provide free medications to people who cannot afford to buy their medicine. Offers a comprehensive database of these patient assistance programs, as well as tools, news, and articles. Pharmaceutical Assistance Program. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Medicare.gov/pharmaceutical-assistance-program provides an alphabetical list of prescription drugs linked to information about assistance programs sponsored by pharmaceutical companies. Program of All-Inclusive Care for the Elderly, PACE. National PACE Association. PACE4YOU.org program seeks to help low-income seniors living in PACE service areas stay independent by providing prescription drug and nursing home-level care. Provides Medicare Part D prescription drug coverage as well as all other necessary medication without co-payments or gaps in coverage. State Pharmaceutical Assistance Programs. National Conference of State Legislatures. ncsl.org/research/health/state-pharmaceutical-assistance-programs.aspx provides a state-by-state summary of programs that use state funds to pay a portion of medication costs for individuals. Includes links to PDF copies of relevant forms. Tax Resources. AARP Tax Aid Program. AARP.org/money/taxes/AARP_taxa IDE identifies documents to bring to a session with a tax aid volunteer, shares tax tips for older adults and their caregivers, and lists tax aid volunteers by zip code or county. About Publication 907, Tax Highlights for Persons with Disabilities. Internal Revenue Service. irs.gov/pub907. Instructions on preparing taxes for persons with disabilities, recent developments, and links to additional items people with disabilities, their friends, and caretakers find useful. Frequently asked questions for seniors. Internal Revenue Service. irs.gov/individuals/seniors-frequently-asked-questions-for-seniors answers tax questions frequently asked by seniors. IRS Tax Volunteers. Internal Revenue Service. irs.gov/individuals/irs-tax-volunteers instructions on signing up to volunteer to prepare taxes for senior citizens. Seniors and retirees. Internal Revenue Service. irs.gov/individuals/seniors-retirees provides free tax filing tool and an interactive tax assistant that answers questions and calculates standard deductions. Includes information on finding a local tax aid volunteer, special rules for seniors when deducting medical expenses, and tax scams/consumer alerts. Allows users to download replacement forms for the SSA 1099 and SSA 1042s. Volunteer income tax assistance and tax counseling for the elderly. Internal Revenue Service. irs.treasury.gov/free tax prep helps locate local establishments providing free tax preparation assistance through the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, VITA, and tax counseling for the elderly, TCE, programs. VITA serves individuals whose income is $54,000 or less, persons with disabilities, and limited English speakers. TCE offers free tax help to individuals who are 60 or older. TCE specializes in questions regarding pensions and retirement-related issues unique to seniors. Utilities Resources. Catholic Charities USA. CatholicCharitiesUSA.org provides searchable list of local Catholic charities that may provide low-cost food, housing programs, and help with rent and utilities. State Data Center. Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program. LEHEAP.org lists local low-income home energy assistance programs by state. Describes state eligibility requirements and provides links to applications. WaterSense. United States Environmental Protection Agency. www.3.epa.gov/WaterSense provides information on water-saving fixtures and offers rebates on toilets, faucets, and showerheads with the WaterSense label. Weatherization Assistance Program. United States Department of Energy, DOE. Energy.gov/ER/WAP/weatherization-assistance-program lists weatherization program grants by state and describes how weatherization can reduce heating bills. Also includes United States Housing and Urban Development multifamily property listings eligible for the problem. Chapter 2. Older People Resources 2. Alzheimer's and Dementia Resources. Alzheimer's Association. ALZ.org lists local resources by state. Describes diseases and injury that may cause dementia such as traumatic brain injury, Korsakoff syndrome, and frontotemporal dementia. Allows users to ask questions of peers on the association's message board and map out steps for caregiving with the Alzheimer's Navigator tool. Screen can be modified to increase font size. Alzheimer's disease and related dementias. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/Alzheimer's offers information on Alzheimer's disease and dementia including diagnosis, treatment, caregiving, and research and clinical trials. Alzheimer's Disease Education and Referral Center. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/Alzheimer's describes federal initiatives and research on Alzheimer's, memory diseases, and aging. Lists clinical trials and provides caregiving tips and resources. Includes a phone number for referral services. Alzheimer's Disease Fact Sheet. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/Alzheimer's/publication/Alzheimer's-disease-fact-sheet summarizes how Alzheimer's disease progresses and discusses diagnosis, treatment, clinical trials, and help for caregivers. Formats include HTML, PDF, Spanish language, and video with transcripts. Alzheimer's Foundation of America, AFA. alzfdn.org offers the opportunity to chat or Skype with a social worker. Provides information on Alzheimer's disease, AFA conferences and member organizations, and caregiving resources. Alzheimers.gov. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Alzheimers.gov identifies treatment options, describes ways to pay for in-home or memory care, and offers advice on caring for someone with Alzheimer's. Videos with transcripts available. Basics of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/what-dementia offers basic information on Alzheimer's disease and dementia written in plain English. Spanish and audio versions are available. Cognitive Health and Older Adults. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/cognitive-health-and-older-adults provides information for maintaining cognitive health through the aging process. Falling resources. Falls prevention. National Council on Aging, NCOA. ncoa.org/healthy-aging/falls-prevention provides videos on practical lifestyle adjustments to prevent falls, tips for older adults and their caregivers on reducing the risk of falling. National Falls Prevention Awareness Day, September 22, Community Events Calendar, and Fall Prevention Programs. Falls Prevention Center of Excellence. StopFalls.org provides a series of large print booklets on how to prevent falls for people who are older. Offers web pages for service providers, individuals, families, researchers, and educators. Falls Prevention, Simple Tips to Prevent Falls. Mayo Clinic. mayo-clinic.org/healthy-aging/in-depth/fall-prevention/art-20047358 shares in-depth tips on how to prevent falling for adults who are older. Prevent falls and fractures. National Library of Medicine. nia.nih.gov/health/prevent-falls-and-fractures provides general information about falling for seniors, including making personal changes, devices that help to prevent falls, and what to do if you fall. Shares videos on falling in older adults and discusses related issues such as balance problems and osteoporosis. Stopping elderly accidents, deaths and injuries. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. cdc.gov/falls. Provides brochures on preventing falls and suggests simple exercises seniors can do to improve leg strength and reduce risk. General Health Resources. Active Older Adults. Office of Disease Prevention and Health Promotion. health.gov/r-work/physical-activity/current-guidelines gives physical activity guidelines specifically for older adults. Adults age 65 and older. United States Department of Health and Human Services. Vaccines.gov/who_and/adults/seniors/index.html offers information on vaccines for adults aged 65 and older. Climate change and the health of older adults. United States Environmental Protection Agency. 19JA/NUAR-Y2017/SNAPS/production/files/2016-1/health-adults-health-climate-change-print-version_0.pdf external PDF, 4.7 MB/2p. Explores how climate change affects older adults. Health literacy in older adults, reshaping the landscape. The National Academies of Sciences and Engineering Medicine. nationalacademiesdoorg/hmd/activities/publichealth/health literacy/2018-mar-13.aspx provides the proceedings of a conference on this topic, including videos, presentations, PowerPoint presentations, and attachments. Health Topics AZ. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/topics lists topics related to aging and health. Healthy Aging. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. cdc.gov/aging/index.html offers interactive tools, including the Healthy Aging Data Portfolio. Users can search for statistics on aging by state and indicators such as overall health, physical health, nutrition and obesity, emotional health, dementia, and smoking and alcohol use. How much physical activity do older adults need? Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. cdc.gov/physical-activities/basics/older_adults/index.htm offers articles, videos, and workout routines for older adults. Improving health literacy for older adults. United States Department of Health and Human Services. ogg.osu.edu/media/documents/health_lit/olderadults.pdf external PDF, 2.4 MB/56p. Expert panel reported on older adults and health literacy in 2009. Older adults. Office of Disease Prevention and Health Promotion. healthypeople.gov/2020/topics-objectives/topics/older-adults provides government data from programs, surveys, and censuses on the health of older adults. Older adults, health and age-related changes. American Psychological Association. apa.org/pi/aging/resources/guides/older.aspx gives a snapshot of older adults and facts to help dispel myths about aging. Older adults' health and age-related changes, reality versus myth. American Psychological Association. hss.fullerton.edu/gerontology/docs/myth-reality.pdf external PDF, 3.5 MB/4p. Shatters myths about older adults' cognitive and mental health. Participating in activities you enjoy. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/participating-activities-you-enjoy suggests ways to stay active as an older adult. Patient education, older adults. Organ Procurement and Transplantation Network. op10.transplant.hrsa.gov/learn/patient-education/older-adults information about donation and transplantation for older adults. In the last decade, the majority of transplant recipients were age 50 and older. Potentially inappropriate medications used in older adults. New York State Department of Health. health.ny.gov/publications/1490.pdf 914 kb/2p. Offers infographic on medications that can potentially cause negative reactions in older adults. Programs for seniors. United States Department of Health and Human Services, HHS. hhs.gov/programs/social-services/programs-for-seniors/index.html gives links to programs within HHS that provide services for seniors. Seniors. Medline Plus. MedlinePlus.gov lists topics applicable to seniors. Travelers Health, Senior Citizens. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. www.ncdc.gov/travel/page/senior-citizens provides information on vaccines, illness and injury prevention, and medications while traveling. Hearing. Age-related hearing loss. National Institute on Deafness and Other Communication Disorders. nidcd.nih.gov/health/age-related-hearing-loss identifies treatments and devices that can help with hearing loss. Provides a diagnostic quiz and news on age-related hearing loss. Hearing loss of older people, presbyacusis. Patient.info. patient.info/health/hearing-loss-of-older-people-presbyacusis provides comprehensive information on hearing loss in older people. Nutrition resources. 10 tips for eating healthy on a budget. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/10-tips-eating-healthy-budget offers information on buying healthy food on a fixed income. 5 top foods for eye health. Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. eatright.org/health/wellness/preventing-illness/5-top-foods-for-eye health suggests top foods for eye health. Choose My Plate, Older Adults. U.S. Department of Agriculture. ChooseMyPlate.gov/older-adults gives information on the special nutrition concerns of older adults. Community-supported agriculture group. National Agricultural Library. nal.usda.gov/afsic/community-supported-agriculture provides information about community-supported agriculture groups where seniors can find low-cost, farm-to-table, healthy foods from local growers. Find a local community-supported agriculture. Local Harvest, community-supported agriculture. Localharvest.org/CSA discusses the benefits of community-supported agriculture, allows consumers to buy local, seasonal food directly from a farmer. Program helps seniors purchase fresh food at lower prices. Food safety for older adults. Foodsafety.gov. Foodsafety.gov/risk/older-adults/index.html provides infographic on food safety for older adults. Food safety for older adults. fda.gov/food/foodborne-ess contaminants/people at risk/UCM312705.htm offers a guide on food safety for adults 65 years and older. For seniors. Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. eatright.org/for-seniors site posts a new article daily on topics of interest to seniors. Healthy eating. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/healthy-eating links to articles and resources on healthy eating, maintaining a healthy weight, and shopping for healthy foods as a senior. Hunger among older adults. Food Research and Action Center. frasi.org/hunger-poverty-america/senior-hunger presents research on SNAP benefits, food insecurity, and older adults. Know your food groups. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/no-your-food-groups discusses food groups and recommended portion sizes. All food groups. Local food directories, National Farmers Market Directory. United States Department of Agriculture. ams.usda.gov/local-food-directories/farmers markets provides a directory of farmers markets in the United States, searchable by zip code. See Community Support Agriculture Group for information on how seniors can purchase local, fresh food at farmers markets. Nutrition education materials. SNAP-Ed Connection. snape.fns.usda.gov/nutrition-education/nutrition-education-materials information on meal planning, shopping, budgeting, healthy eating on a fixed income, food safety, gardening, and farmers markets. Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program. Food and Nutrition Service, United States Department of Agriculture. fns.usda.gov/sfmnp/senior-farmers-market-nutrition-program-sfmnp. The Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program awards grants to states, U.S. territories, and federally recognized Indian tribal governments to provide low-income seniors with coupons that can be exchanged for eligible foods, fruits, vegetables, honey, and fresh-cut herbs, at farmers markets, roadside stands, and community-supported agriculture programs. Senior Food Insecurity Studies. Feeding America. feedingamerica.org/research/senior-hunger-research/senior links reports and statistics from 2014 to 2019 on food insecurity and senior hunger. Senior hunger. Feeding America. feedingamerica.org/research/senior-hunger-research presents research on older adults and food insecurity. SNAP and Senior Hunger Facts. National Council on Aging. NCOA.org/news/resources-for-get-the-facts/senior-hunger-facts provides key facts on senior food insecurity and SNAP. Article provides hyperlinks that allows readers to explore different parts of the article. Spend Smart. Eat Smart. Iowa State University Extension and Outreach. SpendSmart.extension.iastate.edu offers recipes, videos, blog, and free resources on how to eat healthy on a budget. Vision/Eye Health Resources. Cataracts. Cataracts. American Optometric Association. AOA.org/patients-and-public/eye-and-vision-problem/glossary-of-and-vision-conditions/cataract discusses what cataracts are, who they are diagnosed, as well as treatment options and the importance of nutrition to eye health. Cataracts. Vision Aware. visionaware.org/your-eye-condition/cataracts introduces the topic of cataracts and cataract surgery. Includes a frequently asked questions section, the Cataracts Forum message board, personal stories, and blog posts from cataract experts. Provides a state-by-state guide to finding eye and cataract services. Cataracts FAQ. Wilmer Eye Institute. hopkinsmedicine.org/wilmer/conditions/cataracts_faq.html discusses the symptoms, prevention, causes, diagnosis, and treatment of cataracts. The Lions Club site first program, Cataracts. Lions Club International Foundation. lionsclubs.org/en/resources-for-members/resource-center/cataract highlights how the Lions Club site first program supports cataract-related projects. Mission Cataract USA. MissionCataract.org provides free cataract surgery to people of all ages who do not have the means to pay for cataract surgery. Includes a state-by-state search to find participating hospitals, clinics, and doctors. Diabetic retinopathy. Diabetes Care. American Diabetes Association. care.diabetesjournals.org/content/41/supplement_1 provides papers on standards of medical care in diabetes and older adults. Diabetes in older people. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/diabetes-older-people offers articles on diabetes in older people. Includes articles on pre-diabetes, tests for diabetes, managing diabetes, diabetic retinopathy, and help for diabetes covered by Medicare. Diabetic eye disease. National Eye Institute. nei.nih.gov/health/diabetic offers an overview of diabetic eye disease. Includes the latest news on research, treatment options, and video animation. Available in HTML and digital audio formats. Glaucoma. Care and treatment. Glaucoma Research Foundation. Glaucoma.org/treatment assembles commonly asked questions on laser peripheral iridotomy, gonioscopy, laser vision correction, and other treatments for glaucoma. Illustrates what happens the day of your surgery. Lists sources of financial assistance, low vision resources, and glaucoma support groups. Glaucoma, silent cause of vision loss. Veterans Health Administration. va.gov/health/news features/2015/January/glaucoma-silent-cause-of-vision-loss.asp highlights research conducted by the Center of Excellence for the Prevention and Treatment of Visual Loss to prevent and treat glaucoma and the VA's programs to prevent and treat glaucoma for veterans. Glaucoma tests. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Medicare.gov/coverage/glaucoma-tests.html lists tests for glaucoma covered by Medicare Part B. Medline Plus, glaucoma. National Library of Medicine. nlm.nih.gov/medlineplus/glaucoma.html discusses recent genetic research, medications in development, and new treatments and therapies. Provides videos and tutorials that demonstrate how to live with glaucoma, find an expert in glaucoma, and become part of a clinical trial. Macular degeneration. Age-related macular degeneration. American Optometric Association. aoa.org/patients-and-vision-vision-conditions/macular-vision-conditions/macular degeneration provides information on the treatment of age-related macular degeneration, including laser and photodynamic therapy. Dry macular degeneration. Mayo Clinic. mayoclinic.org/diseases-conditions/dry-macular-degeneration/home/OVC-20164874 external / provides an overview of dry macular degeneration. Includes symptoms, causes, diagnosis, treatment, self-management, and links to further research. Age-related macular degeneration, what you should know. National Eye Institute. nei.nih.gov/sites/defaults/files/health-pdfs/wysk_amd_English_September 2015-print.pdf offers detailed articles on age-related macular degeneration, risk factors, and treatment for each stage of the disease. Includes information on vision rehabilitation, which teaches daily living skills so that a person with vision loss can continue to live independently. Macular Degeneration Foundation. eyesight.org provides an eye test and information on disability benefits, treatment, and clinical trials. What is age-related macular degeneration? American Academy of Ophthalmology. aao.org/eye-health/tips-prevention/amd-macular-degeneration discusses the symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment of age-related macular degeneration. Provides videos on macular degeneration, an online message board where individuals can ask an eye doctor questions, and a list of eye doctors searchable by zip code. What is macular degeneration? American Macular Degeneration Foundation, AMDF. Macular.org/what-macular-degeneration summarizes macular degeneration and illustrates what a person sees when he or she had macular degeneration. Allows users to adjust text size of website. Resources for eye health. Bright Focus Foundation. Brightfocus.org provides information on glaucoma, macular degeneration, and Alzheimer's, as well as resources for people who are newly blind or learning to live with a vision impairment. Includes databases on experts and clinical trials by state, as well as a community message board. Clinicaltrials.gov. Department of Health and Human Services. Clinicaltrials.gov provides a database of publicly and privately supported clinical studies around the world. The database is searchable by disease and location. Clinical Trials in Vision Research. National Eye Institute. nei.nih.gov/iClinic describes clinical trials on a number of eye-related diseases. Cornea Research Foundation of America. Cornea.org tracks statistics for preoperative, surgical, and postoperative transplants. Chapter 3. Older People Resources 3. Drug Abuse Resources. National Institute of Drug Abuse. drugabuse.gov/publications/research-prescription-drugs/what-scope-prescription-drug-misuse provides general addiction information and discusses prescription drug abuse. Substance use in older adults. Drug facts. National Institute of Drug Abuse. drugabuse.gov/publications/substance-use-in-older-adults-drug facts. Information on drug abuse in older adults. Includes a bibliography and links to further information. Substance use treatment for older adults. SAMHSA HRSA Center for Integrated Health Solutions. samhsa.gov/homelessness-programs-resources/HPR-resources/substance-use-treatment-older-adults. Information on older adults, mental health, and substance abuse. Fraud resources. Abuse and fraud. BBB Scam Tracker. Better Business Bureau. bbb.org/scm-tracker/US tracks fraud. Searchable by fraud type and location. Better Business Bureau BBB Scam Tips. Council of Better Business Bureaus. bbb.org/scam tips provides information on existing fraud and allows users to search for and report fraud. Consumer Complaint Center. Federal Communications Commission. consumercomplaints.fcc.gov allows users to file a complaint, learn about consumer issues, and share your experience. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. consumerfinance.gov describes the laws and regulations around fraud associated with banks, lenders, and other financial companies. Allows users to report a fraud or seek assistance. Contact CFPB_accessibility at cfpb.gov if there are accessibility problems with this website. Elder Fraud. Federal Bureau of Investigation. fbi.gov/scams-safety/common-scams-and-crimes/elder-fraud lists common fraud schemes targeting older adults along with tips on how seniors can avoid them. Identity protection, prevention, detection, and victim assistance. Elder Justice Initiative, EJI. United States Department of Justice. Justice.gov/elder justice provides information on elder abuse and how to get help if you or a loved one is a victim of elder abuse. Federal Trade Commission. FTC.gov allows users to file a consumer complaint, report identity theft, set up scam alerts, and register a phone number on the National Do Not Call list. Provides printable bookmarks that summarize information in an easy-to-access format for seniors as well as articles on current issues, a list of other useful websites, and fact sheets on the Elder Justice Act of 2003. File a mail fraud complaint. United States Postal Inspection Service. ehome.usb.gov/fcsexternal/default.aspx How to file a mail fraud, mail theft, identity theft, or unsolicited sexually oriented advertising in the mail to the United States Postal Inspection Service. For seniors. United States Security and Exchange Commission. sec.gov/investor/seniors.html provides information on investing wisely for seniors, including information on avoiding investment fraud. Internal Revenue Service. irs.gov/identity-theft-fraud-scams provides forms and directions for reporting tax-related identity theft. Offers articles on preventing tax-related identity theft. Investor.gov, Seniors. United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Investor.gov/seniors gives information on senior specialists, investor alerts and bulletins, variable annuities, and how to protect yourself from investment fraud. Medical identity theft. Office of the Inspector General, United States Department of Health and Human Services. oig.hhs.gov/fraud/medical-id-theft/index.asp. Watch public service videos about medical identity theft and seniors, read articles on medical identity theft, and report medical identity theft. Money Smart for older adults. Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. fdic.gov/resources/consumers/money-smart/teach-money-smart-for-older-adults.html. External. Provides the materials for an instructor-led training developed jointly by the FDIC and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau covering topics such as identity and medical theft, common types of elder financial exploitation, scams targeting veterans, and how to be financially prepared for disasters. Money Smart for older adults, prevent financial exploitation. Files.consumerfinance.gov/f/201306_CFPB_MSOA-participant-guide.pdf. External PDF, 584 KB/55p. Offers information and tips to prevent common frauds and other types of financial exploitation. Sections for cognitive impairment and for caregivers and family of the elderly. Online complaint system. Better Business Bureau. bbb.org/consumer-complaints/file-a-complaint/get-started. Information on how to file complaints with the Better Business Bureau. Telemarketing fraud. Federal Bureau of Investigation. fbi.gov/scams-safety/common-fraud-schemes/telemarketing-fraud provides information on how to avoid and report telemarketing fraud. Tools for financial security in later life. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. consumerfinance.gov/practitioner-resources-for-older-adults/financial-security-as-u-age offers tools for financial security in later life. United States Senate Special Committee on Aging. Aging.senate.gov includes information on current scams, financial fraud, deceptive marketing, and identity theft of adults who are older. Working with older adults. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. consumerfinance.gov/practitioner-resources/resources-for-older-adults offers articles for professionals and family members managing the finances of older adults. Includes the Money Smart for Older Adults Resource Guide, the Toolkit for Later Life Financial Security, and reports and advisories by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau on elder financial exploitation, planning for financial incapacity, and Social Security. Literacy of older adults in America. National Center for Education Statistics. nces.ed.gov/pubs97/97576.pdf PDF, 1.0 MB/204p. Report from the United States Department of Education on Adult Literacy. Magnifying Devices, 2020. National Library Service for the Blind and Print Disabled. loc.gov/nls/resources/blindness-vision-impairment/devices-aids/magnifying-devices. Describes the types of magnifying devices and where to get them. NFB Newsline. National Federation of the Blind. nfb.org/programs-services/nfb-newsline offers more than 500 newspapers and magazines read over the telephone. Serves people with visual and print impairments for free. Safety and emergency preparedness. Disaster resources for older adults and people with disabilities. disasterassistance.gov. disasterassistance.gov/get-assistance/forms-of-assistance/4505 offers resources for communities creating emergency preparedness programs for older people with disabilities. Guidelines and fire safety tips. Ready.gov. Ready.gov/seniors gives emergency preparedness tips for seniors. Older adults. National Fire Protection Association. nfpa.org/public-education/fire-causes-and-specific-groups-at-risk/older-adults offers a program built around 16 key safety messages for older adults, 8 for fire prevention and 8 for fall prevention. Chapter 4. Older People Resources 4. Transportation and Driving. Accessibility Strategic Plan. Department of Transportation. transportation.gov/mission/accessibility/accessibility-strategic-plan. For the first time, the U.S. Department of Transportation will have an accessibility strategic plan focusing on making transportation more accessible to people with disabilities. Adapting motor vehicles for older drivers. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. nhtsa.gov/sites/nhTSA.gov/files/documents/HS810732.pdf PDF 629 KB/16p. Share information on modifying a personal vehicle for physical disabilities. Topics covered include accessing needs, selecting the right vehicle, choosing a qualified mobility dealer, and obtaining training on the use of new equipment. Disability. United States Department of Transportation, Aviation Consumer Protection. Transportation.gov/air consumers/disability. A compilation of rules, guidance, enforcement orders, and publications on disability issues in aviation. Driving safely while aging gracefully. United States Department of Transportation. NHTSA.gov/older-driving-safely-while-aging-gracefully offers tips to assessing your ability to continue driving as you age. Enhanced Mobility of Seniors and Individuals with Disabilities, Section 5310. Federal Transit Administration. Transit.dot.gov/funding/grants/enhanced-mobility-seniors-individuals-disabilities-section -5310 provides funding to states for the purpose of assisting private nonprofit groups to meet the needs of older adults and people with disabilities in their community. Older drivers. United States Department of Transportation. NHTSA.gov/road-safety/older-drivers provides guide to road safety for older drivers. Screening for passengers 75 and older. Transportation Security Administration. TSA.gov/travel/special-procedures/screening-passengers-75-and-older gives procedures for getting an expedited security screening for individuals 75 years and older. Offers information on traveling with medical devices or implants and for passengers 75 years and older who cannot stand for security screening. Transportation. Office of Disability Employment Policy, United States Department of Labor. dol.gov/agencies/odp/program-areas/employment-supports/transportation. Links to resources on transportation and mobility for aging workers with a disability. Travel patterns of American adults with disabilities. Bureau of Transportation Statistics. bts.gov/topics/passenger-travel/travel-patterns-American-adults-disabilities presents key statistics on travel and disability. Vision rehabilitation resources. Low vision aids and low vision rehabilitation. American Academy of Ophthalmology. aao.org/i-health/diseases/low-vision-aids-rehabilitation advises on making the most out of your low vision. Includes reviews of vision aids and a summary of life management skills learned in vision rehabilitation. No Limits Aging. American Foundation for the Blind. afb.org/research-and-initiatives/aging summarizes services available to older adults in need of vision rehabilitation. Investigates legal aspects. Vision rehabilitation for seniors. Vision rehabilitation services. Vision Aware. visionaware.org/everyday-living/essential-skills/vision-rehabilitation-services provides information on communication skills, personal management skills, independent movement and travel, low vision devices, and vocational rehabilitation for seniors with visual impairment. Lists vision rehabilitation services by state and highlights personal stories on a blog and message board.